Alright guys, we are down in Sevierville inside Bass Pro at the moment, or I should say Kodak, as those of you guys know where this store is. Walking around, you can tell that it is obviously getting close to summer because everything has an American flag on it. Just going to walk around, check them out, as we always do. Check it out, somebody crawling up that rock. Well, a mannequin crawling up there. They just the decor that's in here. Always love it. Always love coming down here. The shooting gallery. It's a good way to waste a lot of money. It's fun though. It's a little bit big to carry camping. I know people do, but I think it's a little bit big. Check out some of this. I think the Peak has a better taste than Over the Mountain House and several of others. You guys let me know which is your favorite down in the comments. If you need a new bedroll, I'm a little too old to sleep laying on the ground anymore. You gotta have something, make it a little more comfortable. Fire starting kits and tinder. You should be able to make your own. Paracord. All the stuff you need for camping and building a fire. Simple compass here. These here are a little bit better, but you always make sure you get a decent compass. You're gonna be out in the woods. These are decent, but just depending on what you're going to be doing. Pick up this Yeti, 150 bucks. That's heavy made, you can tell. Camelbacks. If you're going to be hiking, you definitely need to make sure you take some water with you. Amazing the price of sleeping bags now. The one that I had many years ago was probably the most comfortable. I think it was like $20 or $30, and it's just amazing how much stuff has gone up. Propane and propane accessories. These little cook stoves that you can get for these tanks. It's a good quick way to heat up, boil water, cook small meals and stuff like that. I've never really used those. I've always just built a fire, but that's just me. Kayaks. Nice. I like that green one there aboard anything. Well, it's a paddle boat, but still. Or you could go ahead and get one that has a motor on it. Deep fryers. Mind having those hanging on the wall. I don't know, I think I made my wife mad. You can kind of see the expression on her face this morning. Camo everywhere. I'd like to take one about that size. Range finders. Bushnell, Vortex. All kinds of rifle cases. Guns everywhere. Alright guys, I had to get out of the gun section. It's Father's Day, at least the time I'm recording this, but I may have got something. But you guys go over to my main channel and you'll be able to see what that is. Now I gotta get out of here. Anyways, talk to y'all. Here we go. Those of you that are into fishing, I'm telling you, they get anything that you could want. Okay, I did not intend to buy anything at the Bass Pro, but they had something in there pretty cool. so I picked it up. And I can't tell you what it is on this channel. Go over to my main channel at youtube.com/boomsticktactical. You'll be able to see it there coming up in a future video. Anyways, guys, that's Bass Pro. Cool place. Love going in there. And unfortunately, they always seem to get some of my money. So that is just the beginning of our adventures, at least in this time period now. So be sure to stick with us. Guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. You know, do you get to come down here to the Smoky Mountain area, to Bass Pro? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Go over, check out my main channel if you're into guns and that sort of thing. And we'll see you next time.